Friends, these days companies are releasing tenders for housekeeping and outsourced manpower, that is GDA, housekeeping, security, etc. But I have designed a format for you that if your company asks you or the company asks the housekeeping manager to design a tender format for outsourcing the housekeeping GDA manpower, then how you have to do that. So just watch the PPT, you will be able to understand how you can make the tender bid. So first of all, you should know what are the important components and contents of the tender. So first is the advertisement format that has to be released in the newspaper so that the vendors all around should be aware that this organization has released a tender. Then the description about the tender, financial bid, technical bid evaluation, eligibility criteria, quotations where the bidders will give the rates, important documents required to show and during the finalization of tender, and the declaration. So first of all, the advertisement format. This is the advertisement format, you can see. Then comes the description. The bidder should have a minimum of 5 calendar years of experience in housekeeping, general duty assistant. These descriptions are important to mention so that any forged company and without experienced company should not fill the tender and take the benefit. Second is the financial bid, that what will be the components, which is the minimum statutory requirement like PF, ESI, uniform for staff, minimum government wages. The wages should not be less than current minimum wages fixed by labor department of that government. GST will be payable in accordance with the rate provision, etc. Then comes the financial bid evaluation criteria. This is very important for evaluating the vendors eligibility. You can say that it has the minimum maximum turnover limit, experience of the staffs, etc. So this is totaling of 100. So how much number vendor scores from this 100 numbers, accordingly the vendors can be finalized. Next is the quotation, where the vendors have to give their rates. Different vendors will quote different rates, and as per the rates, the rate is also an important component for finalizing the tender. Important documents required, everything is mentioned: income tax return, certificate from a statutory auditor, work orders of other companies where they have taken work, copy of agreement with those companies, relevant experience certificate from those companies, proper labor license, other license which are required and necessary for outsourced vendors. Next is you have to give your declaration that everything is correct, and the signatory to the bid is authorized to sign such bid on behalf of the organization. So this is all about making a tender bid for an organization which is a housekeeping manager should know.